Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's not really talked about, headlight restorations. But we're not stopping there. We're also going to explore how combining it with paint protection film can give you not only crystal clear headlights, but also long-lasting solutions. So buckle up and let's get started. Once upon a time, headlights faced a common foe: fogging, yellowing, and oxidation. But fear not, for in the realm of automotive innovation, a solution has emerged. Behold, the magic of headlight restorations. But here's the twist. Traditional restoration methods only offer a temporary fix, leaving you back to square one with foggy, yellowing, and oxidized headlights. But what if I told you there's a way to make that clarity last forever? That's where paint protection film comes in. This transparent durable film is typically used to protect the paint on your vehicle from scratches, chips, and other damages. But did you know it can also be used to protect your headlights? By applying paint protection film to your headlights after the restoration process, you're adding an extra layer of protection against UV rays, debris, and other elemental factors. This means your headlights will stay clearer for longer, and you don't have to worry about them becoming yellowed or hazy ever again. After years of experience and extensive research, we found that paint protection film, or PPF, is by far the best protection for your vehicle. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate solution for headlight restorations. By combining the power of headlight restorations with durable paint protection film, you can enjoy crystal clear headlights that not only look great, but also stand the test of time. Ready to experience the magic for yourself? Whether you're in need of a headlight makeover or eager to protect your headlights for a lifetime, we've got you covered. Contact us today to schedule your permanent headlight restoration with paint protection film. And hey, if you're cruising through Guam and want to shine bright on those island roads, we're right here waiting to make your headlights sparkle like never before. Don't let fog and oxidation dim your driving experience. Reach out to us and let's make your headlights shine. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more information about the many different services we offer. Until next time, drive safe and stay safe.